Hello, this is Ed Matthews from Matthews Brothers Plumbing and HVAC. Today we have a Carrier 96.7% efficient furnace with a 16 series air conditioning coil and condenser outside. It's made by Carrier. This qualifies for a MassSave Heat Loan and all gas network rebates, as well as Cool Smart cooling rebates. The ductwork is wrapped in R8 installation according to the code, with 2-inch venting through the roof. This is an attic installation with the safety drain pan installed underneath. You can see a catalog of our work at MathewsBrothersPlumbing.com. Thank you.